Alright, so today I have this iPhone 5S, right? Yeah, 5S. It's jailbroken on 9.3.2 or something like that. I just sold it, right? Well, yesterday. And then I was going to ship it today, but I don't know if that's actually going to happen because the post office closes in, let's see, 6 minutes. Yeah, like about 26 minutes. And, it takes about 10 minutes to get there. And then another, let's say, 10 minutes to fix this one. Because the issue is that the front-facing camera just stopped working. And now I was about to ship it, right? But I went through and tested everything one more time to ensure everything's working. Because I previously have had some mishaps, you could say, with not testing everything and making sure it's fully functional. Alright, so but luckily I found the issue of why the camera ain't working, and this tripod, speaking of problems, get this tripod all good, something like that. It's a bit upside down, but so this right here was unplugged, but this is a replacement display, right? Well, it's a refurbished with replacement parts on it. And now, as you can see, this cable right here, it's a bit longer than it actually needs to be, right? And so what I'm thinking is I get a bracket from another phone. Okay, that other phone being this one, maybe. I'm just going to start opening up iPhone 5Ss and SEs until I find one that has, a good thing. I am currently working on fixing up this one. I'm just waiting on the replacement display to get here. Alright. Let's get that like that. Get that. Nope, not gonna work for me. It really doesn't like when the screen is cracked. Nope, I can't do that. Let's try this one. Not that it should. No. Okay. Actually, no. I was gonna say I'm gonna be back with some duct tape, but I got some right here. Oh, okay, the scissors are across the room. You know what? I'm not gonna cut. I'm just gonna go get up. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Oh, shit. Okay. Guess what? Guess what I just did. Okay. I stood up. Now I'm currently in the process of, rearranging my room and just stuff is all over, right? And these just went straight into my foot. Holy shit, man. Okay, so my foot isn't even bleeding that much, so it will be fine. Don't worry about it, Okay, there's a lot of hairs stuck to this duct tape, and that's really not something I want to be looking at. Okay, let's get that. Do it like that. This cross there, and watch me not even get what I need from this phone. There we go. Let's get a guitar pick. If it wants to go, okay. Great. use the thing that just stabbed me. Oh, it's looking promising. And hey, there one is. Oh, it looks like this phone has never been opened before. Just what I needed. There's no fingerprints in here or anything. Okay. Where is a screwdriver? One is right behind the camera. Okay. This I think needs to get a better angle. Like, let's just move that computer back a little and put this right there. Right? Yeah, that's... I don't even know if that's better, but it's good enough, don't you think? What just happened? Okay. Let's get this up like that. Alright, so something fun that is currently going on is the teachers at my high school, right? They're going on strike. Denver, Colorado. Yeah. That's the reason I included Denver, Colorado is because it's the Denver public school teachers that are going on strike. Now, here's my opinion. Unions are bullshit and they should die. However, there are obvious upsides if you're an employee to be in a union, but you see, if you're the business owner, unions are horrible. I don't even need to take any of that out. Okay, I can just... like, muscle memory. I was just about to take off the display, but then I was like, wait. I don't need to do that. Now, do I? See, does the phone still turn on? Yeah, it wasn't even turned off. I didn't even think to check for that. On this one, it's a 5S running iOS 8. I probably already said that. But this is stuck to my hand. Would you look at that? And now, when I listed this phone on eBay, it was working perfectly fine. No problems whatsoever. But then I go through to test it all one last time before I ship it, and guess what? The camera doesn't work. And now I have multiple options. Option 1 was try to repair the phone, which that's the one I took, as you can see. Option 2 was cancel the thing on eBay. Or option 3, tell the person sorry, and then give them a discount. Which, I was thinking about that, like just in case it was a board issue or something like that. But then I was like, you know what? I am extremely confident that I'll be able to fix this issue. I don't know if it's fixed just yet, but I bet it is. Okay, let's... So, something fun I did earlier today. What just happened? Oh, I'm watching... Okay. So, that was weird. So right now I'm watching a live stream. Well, it's like one of those music live streams, right? And now I noticed something updated on the display, and I was like, hold on, it's YouTube. And I thought, like, new videos just got updated in the recommended, but no, it's the chat. What's it called? The stream chat. I almost said Twitch chat, but that's not YouTube. Alright. Let's plug these things back in. Like so. Okay. Great. Great. Turn it on. Is that actually plugged in? Is it even turning on? Battery's plugged in just fine. There we go. I wasn't pressing the power button hard enough. Would you look at that? Okay, now I'm going to plug this home button in right there. Yep. So I noticed today, a lot of people at the school I go to have better phones than me. And now, I have an iPhone 6S, but it's jailbroken, right? And now, Android, it's great. Like, if I couldn't have a jailbroken iPhone, I'd much rather have an Android phone, but guess what? Jailbroken iPhones, I think the best experience, the absolute best experience you could ever get with a phone. And like with the Apple Watch and everything, like no one else offers that. You see, if I was the CEO of Apple, if I was Tim Cook right now, I would give the users an option to trade security for features. Yeah, like, but make it like all secure and everything somehow. I don't really know how you would go about making jailbreaking secure. Well, what I mean is, like, if someone stole your phone and they wanted to jailbreak it so they could, like, remove the passcode or something, make that not a thing they can do. But, like, if it was previously jailbroken, why would you care? Alright. Let's see, does the camera work? Well, I'm pretty sure you saw my face in the reflection of this phone earlier in this video, which of course you probably did, because I saw the camera, and now that it's not switching unless it does. The fuck? Okay. Now that can be considered a slight issue, don't you think? So here's what I'm gonna do. I am just gonna assume the camera's bad or something and fix this. Because, you know, gotta do up some of that good hippie jazz, you know? That's a real thing that I just said. I think the scene might be too dark. I'm gonna... There you go. There you go. Okay. Let's get that. I need to cut my fingernails. That's a real thing I need to do. Okay. Let's do that. Is that even all plugged in? I mean, I sure hope so. Let's just get that like that. Get this screw like this. Oops. And I will do the rest off camera. Alright, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this display, and is the phone on? No. I'm going to take this display, right, and I'm going to make sure the camera works. Then I'm going to test it on this phone, and then I'm just going to take this display, put it on this phone, and see if it's a board issue. Because I have seen that in the past, where it's a board issue that the camera is not working. But I think that was the back camera, not the front-facing camera. Do I still have that phone? I might still actually have that phone. It might be this one. I don't know. It's actually, you know what? I think I sold it. I probably sold it. But if I had to guess, it would be the one that I was just holding. Okay, let's get this out. Boom, boom, boom. Put this display in here. Like this, real quick. If it wants to go in, there we go. That doesn't want to, nope. There we go. That. Then plug the battery in real quick. if it wants to go in, there we go. Home button, just because it's easy, real quick and easy. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, great. Great. Now, if the camera doesn't work, I might just be shit out of luck right there. Yeah. Okay, so I sold the phone for $50, 55 probably. Yeah, 55. It was 55. And let's see, does this work? Okay, the front-facing camera, it works. Would you look at that? You can't. I don't know if you can really see that because of the. Here, let me try blocking that. Kind of. But yeah, the camera works. Okay. So, I'm going to transfer that over to this display, and I will get back to you when that is finished. Alright, guess what? So where did I put right here? I had to swap over these because on the one that had the good camera, it had whatever, this black square right here. I don't really know what it does, but it does a thing, and I didn't want to peel it off because last time I did that I kind of ripped it a lot. Oh, that's okay. So this is the iOS 8. I think it's iOS 8, but it's the one that I'm taking the camera off of, and it has a scratch right there. That's how I know it's the iOS 8 one. This one, it's the good one that I just sold. Alright, let me put this stuff on real quick. If it wants to go on, that is. If it doesn't, come on, it's not that hard. Why okay, there we go. I was gonna say, why do these never go on, but then they appear to just go on real quick, don't you think? What the hell, man? Like, this is my absolute least favorite part about repairing iPhones, when things won't plug back in. Now the battery won't go. Okay, there we go. Alright, get that right there, and then it will turn on with no problems, and the camera will work flawlessly. Just you wait. However, there is a issue. See that hold on. Oh fuck, that's really apparent. Okay. So I'm gonna cut the light because that will make it easier to see. Okay. Now, let's just go into photos. Yep, it's noticeable. It's noticeable, all right. Now, that was definitely there previously. However, I'll give it a day and see if it goes away. If it doesn't go away by tomorrow, fuck. Here's what I'll tell the person. I'll tell the person I'm on vacation and that I'm not able to deliver the phone, and they're gonna have to wait a moment for me to get a new display that doesn't do this bullshit. here. Actually, let me order a couple more displays because I really need some. Now, I just want to go to sleep right now. That's what I want to do. Okay, let's go here. Nope, not that one, but let's go to purchase history. Then let's scroll down. Oh, what? When did I buy that? Okay. Well. That's great. Here, I'm gonna buy more of these ones. Ooh, what? Hold on. Wait. Wait. Okay, so right there you see 25 bucks. Right? 25 bucks. When I click on this one, open it, $12.99. There's some bullshit going down here. Let me see. 100% tested working before dispatch. Okay. Here, can I see some reviews? Let me see some reviews. Let's get some reviews. Fast shipping, great to deal with. Awesome eBayer. Awesome eBayer, as described. Highly recommended. Great, good, thanks. Item as described. Item as described. Product as described. Fast shipping, love it. Super fast shipping. I'm happy to deal with you. Thank you. Item ship fast. Okay. Let's go to the one negative review. Arrived on time, but LCD corroded and connections do not match. Seems like a you problem. What do you mean connections do not match? That doesn't make sense. I think this guy's just a straight dumbass. Or, ooh, he has 289 reviews. I'm not so sure about that anymore. Hey, you know what? Let's look in the past 6, 23, 7, 7, 6, okay, yep, yes, screen was junky. Okay. Sold me junk, they weren't Apple screens. False advertising. Well, it's saying it's OEM quality, not OEM. Okay, I'll tell you what, you're probably not enjoying watching this right now if you all like the one person that is. Hey, you know what? I'll take my chances. The total this comes to is 40 bucks. Confirm and pay. That's about an iPhone 5 right there. Okay. So I'm saving 93 cents by purchasing 2 of them. Alright, thanks. Your order has been placed. We'll send you a confirmation email. That's beautiful. Okay, now, sincerely hope this bullshit at the top here goes away by tomorrow. Because it did last time. Probably won't, though. So, I'll get back to you when more information becomes available. How do I stop this? Like that. Alright, guess what? It's 3 days later, and this bullshit is still at the top right here. Has not disappeared. Now, this display right here, it is functional. However, it doesn't have any of the screws or backplate or anything on it, right? However, what's important is it's functional. What phone even is... Oh, yeah, is this on? Can I turn it on? Sure can. Alright, I'll let this boot up. Alright, the phone turned on just fine, and the display does not appear to have any issues, just a lot of fingerprints. And this iPhone 5S is indeed running iOS 8. Alright, the display seems to be fully functional. Let's try to type something just to ensure that it's fully functional. Hello. This is a test of the, how do you spell emergency? No, emergency drug system. Nope. Like KORQ or whatever it is. That from that one Arctic Monkey song. I have no clue. I haven't listened to it in a long time, but it does seem to be somewhat working now. It did kind of miss a couple strokes. Like for example, I clicked K and then it clicked J, but then I don't really know if that's a real issue. Like, the display seems to be, for the most part, fully functional, right? So I'm gonna try, like, I've been trying just different camera angles and I can't really seem to get one that actually is not complete horseshit. Let's try this one. I've used this one before, and let's see. Yeah, I'd say that's almost acceptable. So pretty much everything right here is in view. Alright, I will now start the process of removing this display that doesn't fit and installing it on a different phone. Alright. Now let's see, where is a screwdriver? So right before I started recording this, I beat my sister in Mario Kart 8 on the Nintendo Switch. I probably already said about how it charged to the wrong account in a previous installment. Alright. This is turned off. Sure is. Alright. Open this up right there. Okay, unplug the battery. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Now, the fun part. Transferring every last thing over to this new display. Alright. Now, I'll do that off camera. Actually, the reason why I'm doing this right now, as opposed to, let's say, tomorrow morning, is because I told the guy I'd ship this to him, last time. I don't really remember, but last time I started recording, right? Or something like that. I'm not really sure how that went, but it has been about a week now since he has purchased this device. And that screw just... oh, no, it landed on my shirt right there. So it has been about a week since he has purchased the device, and I still haven't shipped him anything. And now, on my account, I promise 1 business day shipping. Well, handling time, at least. Shipping takes longer than 1 day. Alright. Let's get that up like that. There you go. It's that easy. Let's get that out of the way. Alright. Now, I need to to uninstall the home button. I said I was going to do this off camera, but apparently not. Let's get that out. Let's get this out. Alright, is that even in frame? Barely. It's barely in frame. Alright. Let's get that home button out. Just like that. And here we go. Holy shit, it just occurred to me I might have just... It just occurred to me I might have just deleted a whole video without uploading it. Here, let me make sure I didn't fuck up that bad. Yo, I have 2 subscribers. Would you look at that? And it's not even myself. I didn't tell this channel to anyone at all. Like, no one that knows me knows that I have a YouTube channel. And there's 2 whole subscribers. Isn't that great? I think that's pretty great. But anyway, I did indeed upload that video that I thought I might have just deleted. But, you know, let's finish doing what I was doing. Get this up over here like that. Am I forgetting anything? No. Actually, yes, I need to align the camera, all that good stuff. Get that to go some... I need to do this off camera. I can't do this in frame. Right, here comes the moment of truth. Will everything be fully functional? Alright, so I should probably tell y'all about that time, about how... So I have this, like, teacher. I don't really know what his job is at the school that I attend, but he definitely has a job there. And the thing about him is he's Jewish, right? But I didn't know that. And then here's what I said. So I said to him, he was talking to one of my friends about, like, how he could never join the KKK or something like that, right? And then I was like, slight chance. But guess what? He's Jewish. And that was... Then he told me he's Jewish. Then I was like, fuck. You know? Okay, but hold on. You see there is still slight discoloration at the top here. That can be considered a slight issue, don't you think? Let's see. Is there any way I could go about fixing that issue? I'll give it a moment and come back. I'm at a bit of an issue right now. So, I don't have a display, and I promised the guy I would ship it on Monday, which I'm definitely going to keep that promise. Now, this fucking bullshit is still at the top. You can't... Yeah, you can see it on camera. You see right there, there's two fucking yellow shits right there, okay? Super noticeable, and now my absolute only option. This really isn't my absolute only option. Like, I could just tell the guy just to wait a couple more days while I get the thing, but that... No, thank you. I have this iPhone 5S right here. I need to turn on the flashlight, don't I? I have this absolute mint condition, like, never fucking used iPhone 5S right here, just taken out of the box. They put a screen protector and a case on it. think I might just have to use the display from this one. Oh, I real... Fuck. He did make it sound like he needed the phone, like, legit as fast as possible. Here, you know, I'll let it sit like this, and if in the morning I still decide that I want to take the display off this brand fucking new iPhone 5S, no scratches, nothing, put it on this one, I'll be sure to do that. I really don't want to do that. Here. But like, I really don't have any other displays. Alright, I will get back to you when I have more information. Anyway, so as you can see, it went away. What luck. Like, man. Ooh. Beautiful. Is it jailbroken? It is. I don't even have to restart it or anything. Okay, I'm going to charge it up. And then I'll ship it out. Hey. That is just great, don't you think?